Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe, please. If you've been here before, thank you. In my next video, I'd like to do one on the security settings of your lock pattern. And I've always done this on all my Samsung devices, so this will probably work for everything. I'm currently using a Samsung S24 Ultra, but again, this will probably work for any of your older devices, and it's basically making your lock pattern not visible, so someone can't watch you make your pattern and see it. As you know, when you do a lock pattern, it leaves trails. Well, we're going to remove those trails. So let's go ahead and I'll set this up as the way it normally is and show you that way first. So we go to lock screen, we go to lock screen and always on display, and then secure lock settings. I'm going to type in there, okay, we're going to make pattern visible. So now this is the way your pattern normally is. Okay, so we're going to go back, we're going to go screen lock. So now I'm going to type in my pattern, and if you notice, you see the lines it's making, I did a L shape there. So someone that's looking over your shoulder can say, oh, well, that's easy, I know how to get into his phone now, it's just a L shape, or it's just a reverse L, or it's just whatever the case is. They can follow you and follow the pattern you did. So there's a way to turn that off. So again, we go into lock screen and always on display, and secure lock settings will make our pattern, see the way it makes the pattern as you do it, and turn off make pattern visible. So now when I make my pattern, I'm going to draw the L. You can't see what I just drew. It doesn't leave the contrails behind. So it's just a neat way of securing your settings. I use fingerprint most of the time, but if I have to reboot the phone, of course, you know, you have to put in a password or your pattern. So I do a pattern on major reboots, and of course my fingerprint otherwise, but it's just one more way to secure your phone. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Click the new thank you button if you're really pleased with my videos. And until next time, I'm out.